Hello friends, welcome back with a new video tutorial Java for a beginner in English. In this video lectures, we will learn Java from basic to advanced. So further delay time, we will started our first lecture Java introduction. In this, actually what is Java? First of all, Java is a popular programming language. We all know it is created in 1995 and it's owned by Oracle and it's work on 3 billion devices all over the world. So here next creation of Java. The history of creation of Java is very important for learning. Very interested journey of creation. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. James Gosling is known as the father of Java. Before Java, its name was Oak. Since Oak was a really already registered company, so James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. Then what is interesting of Java? Actually, Sun Microsystems in 1989, Sun Microsystems was work on electric appliances. It was a UK-based company that time, and after some time, he realized why not to work on a remote-based appliances. Who will command our electric appliances? And that time, Sir Gosling was work in Sun Microsystem as a program developer. So he decided we could use C and C++ for creating a program for remote-based appliances. But he suddenly realized C and C++ was purely platform-dependent programming language, and for that reason, it could not be possible. Then he decided why not create programming language who will purely platform independent. He decided C and C++ could use for creating platform independent programming language. After 18 months of hard work, they succeed to create programming language which has purely worked. In 1995, he created Java programming language. But first of all, he took his name Oak. But James Gosling want Java will be popular in the future. For that reason, he want popular name for his programming language. And in creation of Java, in process of Java, he and his team take many times coffee or tea near his office. So his tea name is Java, and that tea name is Java, and Java plays her own role for creation his programming language. This programming language. Then he decided change Oak to Java as a name of our programming language. So next, why we use Java or what is need to Java for use? Because of Java work on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, either different platforms. It is open source and free. It is secure, fast, and powerful. It has a huge community support. As we know, 3 billion, more than 3 billion appliances work on just Java programming language. Because of it work in top 3 programming language all over the world: Java, Python, JavaScript, and etc. All of them. And next, we learn about his features. His feature: simple, robust, secure, platform independent, better performance, functional, multi-threaded, object-oriented, familiar. These are the features of Java. Why Java is so simple? In a creation of Java, C and C++ syntax are mainly used for creation of Java, and that's why junior programmer or senior developers who has know C and C++ very well, they don't be hesitate for work in Java, and simple to learn. That's why simple Java is simple. Why robust? Java created their own path, their own memory for their program by own, and that's why their program cannot be crashed by any issue, and that's why he is robust programming language. Why secure? Secure because purely safe from warming, viruses, and many other internet issues. Why platform independent? Platform independence is the main purpose of creating Java programming language. Platform independence means it's work on many other operating systems like Windows, OS, Linux, many others. It get better performance. It's functional. Why it's functional? Because her program created by C and C created using by classes and objects on many methods. That's why it's functional. Multi-threaded. Multi-threaded means many program we can attach with in one program. That's why it's multi-threaded. Object-oriented. In object-oriented programming language, we create a program by using at least one class and there's many objects. That's why it's object-oriented programming language. It's familiar because simple to learn. Its syntax very similar to C and C++. That's why it's familiar to learn. I hope this lecture would be enough for the well understanding, and in our next lecture we will learn about how to install our first IDE and using this IDE how to create our first Java program. So till then, keep learning, keep supporting. When you think its video is very useful for our learning purpose,